everyone, welcome to our book that is Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge of class 4 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, today we are going to begin with another chapter that is called as History of India, that is chapter number 30. So there are certain questions given here and their options are also given. We have to mark a tick on the correct answer, and so now let's begin with it. Let's begin with the first question, and it says that which ancient king is known as the Napoleon of India, and the answer for this question is Ashoka, Samudragupta, Kanishka I or Chandragupta Maurya. Well, the answer is Samudragupta. So you will mark a tick over here. Next we have, who founded the Sikh Empire? Was it Guru Gobind Singh or Guru Nanak Dev, Maharaja Dilip Singh or Maharaja Ranjit Singh? And the answer is Maharaja Ranjit Singh. Then the third question is, where was Lord Buddha born? Whether he was born in Kushinagar, Lumbini, Kashi or Sarnath. And the answer for this question is Lumbini. He was born at Lumbini. Then the fourth question is, who was the only Muslim woman to sit on the throne of Delhi? Was she Razia Sultana? Was she Chand Bibi, Mumtaz Mahal or Sultana Begum? And what is the answer? Your answer is this, that is Razia Sultana. Next we have, the Arya Samaj was founded by whom? And is the answer Swami Dayanand Saraswati or Raja Ram Mohan Roy? Is the answer Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar or Swami Vivekanand? And what is the answer? The answer is Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Then the sixth question is, a famous disciple of Ramakrishna Paramhansa was whom? Who was the disciple of Ramakrishna Paramhansa? And is the answer Ramatirtha or Swami Vivekanand, Swami Dayanand Saraswati or Kabir? The correct answer is Swami Vivekananda. So you will mark a tick on the B option. The seventh question is that who among the following fought against the British in the Indian Rebellion of 1857? And who was the person? Rani Lakshmi Bai, Rana Pratap, Bhagat Singh or Shivaji? And the answer for this question is Rani Lakshmi Bai. Then, which Mughal emperor founded Din-e-Ilahi? Was he Akbar, Shah Jahan, Babur or Aurangzeb? And the answer is Akbar. This is your answer. The last question of this chapter is, who is popularly known as the Grand Old Man of India? Whether he is Dadabhai Naoroji, Surendranath Banerjee, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar or Mahatma Gandhi? And the answer is Dadabhai Naoroji. So this is your last answer. Let's now do the quick fact question. It says that Puducherry was a former province of French India and now it is the Union Territory of India. It is a UT or Union Territory of India. Odisha was called Kalinga in ancient times. हमने अक्सर कलिंगा का नाम पढ़ा है हिस्ट्री में, and Odisha is the Kalinga. It was known as Kalinga in the ancient times. So this was all about the chapter. I hope you have learned some important facts about our history of India. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.